This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We reached the closing bell. We reached Memorial Day weekend, and we had a little bit of selling today. We get some tariff news. Apple, the EU, S&P, we finished the session down about 0.7% or 41 points in the red at 58.15. NASDAQ 100, we're down about 1 percentage point. 20,967 right now. The Dow off about 0.6% or 265 points, 41,661. And the Russell off by about 8 points or 0.4%. Bitcoin, quite a week for Bitcoin. Record prices, 112,000 was the high. We're trading just off that price level, 108,820. Crude, a little bit of a bid off that acceleration lower on the tariff news. Crude up 41 cents at 61.61 right now. Gold catching a bid on some dollar weakness. We'll jump to that in a moment. But yields, talk about a recoil right now. We got the 10-year sitting just at about 4.5%. But you give it all back, right? As in you accelerate higher at a 110.16. We're sitting right at about 110 right now, 110.03 on the 10-year. And you jump over to the dollar. Yeah, not quite. I said we're going to get a 98 handle. Didn't quite get a 98 handle. Just above 99. 99.09 on the dollar, depending on what index you're looking at, right? Bloomberg has the lowest we've traded in 16 months. But boy, we're talking about going back almost to 2022 on that dollar. And yeah, I got to put it on a monthly. And there it is. You're talking about when we were at 90 in, 2021. Yeah, but 2022, there it is. When we crossed that level in April. Yeah, about 5 years ago, just more than 5 years ago. But you can see this critical area we're at in the dollar. You break below there, what's in the way? Nothing's in the way. This thing trades from 90 to 100, and you break below there, and it looks like we're breaking below there on the dollar. And that's given a little bit of a lift to gold. As gold, you talk about a tear, man. Look at this chart, right? Longer term, my goodness, you get that consolidation, and gold accelerates to 33.61. We're up 2% right now in the price of gold. Some of the movers out there today, Apple shares taking the brunt of it, down by more than 3% to 195. And then, yeah, you got the deal that U.S. Steel and Nippon, they're going to be merging. That deal going through, and X up by 21%. Not bad. S&P's off by 45. Folks, have a great weekend, safe weekend. Life's too beautiful. No drunk driving. Call an Uber, call a Lyft, whatever it is. We'll see you back here Tuesday morning. Enjoy that weekend, folks. Have a great one. Thanks so much for tuning in for Friday afternoon. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you Tuesday.